Hello, you're not going to be able to see my face today. I'm going to do science with you this way. All right, so inside every little seed, there is a tiny plant that is sleeping. And I want to show you what I did. I went to the store and I bought some lima beans. And I picked lima beans because they're nice and big. And when you buy them, they look like this. They're very hard to the touch and smooth. But right now, if I tried to open this bean, I wouldn't be able to. So what I did is I took a cup of water. Inside here is some water. I'll try to tilt it so you can see without spilling. And in here, I put a whole bunch of lima beans. Now, do you ever wonder why sometimes a seed doesn't grow? Maybe it's because there is no little plant in some, which can happen sometimes. So when you soak these overnight, which is plenty, they get a little bit bigger because it absorbed the water. And now I'm going to dissect this lima bean and I'm going to show you the parts of the bean. So on the outside of the bean, there is a little coat. It's a protective coat. And I'm peeling it off, and it's kind of like skin. Okay, there's make sure that the embryo didn't come out. Sometimes the embryo comes out. The embryo is the little plant. Now I'm going to open my bean and look for the embryo. And there it is. It's a tiny sleeping plant. Let me see. It's right here. I'm going to pull it out so carefully. And there it is. So there is the tiny little plant that if I planted one of these, a lima bean plant would grow from this little thing right here. And it's a sleeping plant, and we call it an embryo. Now all this stuff right here in the middle is called the food storage. So as this little plant is growing, all of this stuff in here is feeding it when it's a teeny tiny baby plant. And then as it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, it doesn't use this anymore for food. Do you remember what a plant needs in order for it to grow? Does it need, did you watch Grover? Does it need, let's see, what did Grover try to feed it? Does it need spaghetti? No, all it needs is some water. And then it will grow nice and tall. And you can have your own lima bean plant and you can cook your lima beans. So if you want to do this at home, ask mom and dad. All you have to do is soak your beans overnight and then you can look for your own embryo inside your lima bean. All right, guys, see you later.